The interesting component of this reflection model is that the Carl framework of reflection actually started from a job interviewing technique, and it helped people to really understand and structure answers according to different aspects of the model. However, people have recognized that this reflective nature of this particular model is very important and useful within learning. One thing really to pay attention to in this model is that as though we're working through the stages and describing each of these levels, sometimes you want to take the moment to step back and ask why. Why did it happen? And this is going to help you to really understand and describe more in each level of your reflection. So context. What we want to do is look at exactly what happened. Some helpful questions here is what you want to do is look and describe the event. What happened in the situation? What was the situation? Where did it happen? Who was there? And what did you hope to accomplish from this situation? And as you are looking upon this part of this reflection piece, remember and think about this of how you want to be able to reframe this in a way that you can describe to someone else, or someone else is going to be able to look at the situation and say, I know exactly what happened based upon your description. Next, we want to look at the action, and these are going to be actions that are all related to this experience. This is where you're going to really start engaging in this reflection process and be able to not only describe your actions, but to think about the actions of others and how they impacted you. So you may want to ask, what did I do? What else may have happened? Why did you choose this action? Or why did someone else choose that action? And it's going to be very subjective for you to understand or to think about why someone else may have done something else. And then lastly, what other actions could you have chosen? So this is going to be that good, better, best, right? Did I make a good decision? Was there a better decision? Is there a best decision when it comes to the actions that I took? Next, we're going to look at results. This is what we're going to look and say, what were the results of this action, or what was the result of the experience? So you ask yourself, did you accomplish what you wanted? Did it go the way that you expected? What were the implications of your actions on others? Could different actions have given the same results? And is there a way to improve upon the results or actions? Lastly is learning. So here is where we're going to conclude. We're going to pull all of this information together, and we're going to be able to create an action plan for moving forward. So you're going to answer the questions of, what did you learn from the experience? Would you do the same thing, or would you change something? What would you do next time if in a similar experience? And lastly, would you change anything at all? And if so, what would it be? So at this point now, we just want to review and remember that the Carl framework of reflection includes that context, what happened, the actions you took, the results, what were the consequences of the actions, and lastly, what did you learn from it?